To be successful with social media marketing, you really only need two things. You need traffic from social media, and you need people to take the actions that you want on your web pages after they leave social media. And that's why the upcoming workshop is all about conversion rate optimization. How do we get the maximum number of people to take the actions that we want? Hi, my name is Jonathon Tanner. I'm the co-CEO and a founder of Social Media College, and I'm the host for tomorrow's workshop on conversion rate optimization, which is the tactics and strategies that we can use to maximize the number of actions that people take on our web pages, called a conversion. If you are currently in a position where you are generating some good engagement on social media, you are driving traffic, and it's not working, you're not getting the results that you want, more often than not, it's because of a lack of focus on your conversion rate optimization and too much focus on the social media marketing. Now with the paid ad platform, it's relatively straightforward to get traffic onto these pages, but whole different beast to get people to take the actions that you want. And really that's what this workshop is all about. It's a critical component, and it's incredibly valuable as well. If you can unlock the keys to getting people to take action on your web page, you can unlock a huge amount of value for your organization and grow your business or your organization very quickly. So let's go through what the different modules of this workshop are and why you should attend. First is Introduction to Conversion Rate Optimization. What is it? How does it work? Why is it important? I'm going to do some basic maths on it to show you just how much impact it can have. Then we're going to be looking at developing a conversion strategy. So how does this fit into your broader social media marketing strategy, and how do we focus on funneling people through from ice cold prospects all the way to red hot buyers? Or if you're a not-for-profit or someone who's not trying to get people to buy something, how do you get them to ultimately take that final action that you want them to take? Then we're going to be looking at building high converting web pages. It's really all about what does a good landing page look like? How do they differ from websites? What's a funnel? How does a funnel work? How should a funnel look? And some amazing gold in here. We're going to be spending a lot of time on this because it is something that is not done well. More often than not, people aren't putting their best foot forward when it comes to presenting their organization online, on the landing pages and in their funnels. Then we're going to be talking about crafting irresistible lead magnets and offers. So how do we come up with something that really is just too good to be true for anyone that visits your web pages and makes them ultimately do whatever it is that you want them to do? The fifth module is writing copy that makes people act. And this is all about understanding that the words that you use to articulate the value of whatever it is that you offer, whether that's a lead magnet, piece of content that you're trying to get people to exchange their email address for, or it's your actual sales page where you're trying to get people to fill in a lead form or book a call with you or buy your actual product if you transact online. Whatever it is, the words that you use to articulate that particular lead magnet or offer are very important, and that's what writing copy that makes people act is all about. Then we're going to be going down to retargeting lost visitors, because the reality is that even if you do everything right, a majority of people, usually 60 to 90% of people, aren't going to take the action that you want. But that's not the end of the story. If you're able to set up tracking really effectively on your web pages, or if you're using an inbuilt form as well, we'll show you how to retarget these people so that we run paid ad campaigns only to people that we know have already expressed some sort of interest in our business, and therefore we know that by serving them an ad, there's a likelihood that a certain percentage of those people are going to come back. The seventh module is all about nurturing prospects with email. Email has an incredibly high return on investment. In fact, the highest return on investment out of any digital or traditional media format. That's because it's virtually free. So we need to be building our email list, and we need to be hitting them with lots of touch points. And we can do this using automation, and AI as well now makes this process a lot easier than it used to be. So we'll be talking about that and why it's a really important part of conversion rate optimization. And then finally, measurement, A/B testing, and optimization. We need to measure every single point in our funnel and see how it's performing. Then we need to think about what tweaks could we make and how could we test whether or not some variation of what we've put forward could work a little bit better. And then finally, how do we optimize those results even further once those tests have been done? Jam-packed workshop, tons of value in here. If you do want to attend, you do need to be an SMC Pro member. Now, SMC Pro members get access to one of these live workshops every single month. They also get access to a minimum of 3 coaching sessions each week. So over the course of a month, you're looking at 12, 13, 14 coaching sessions. And that's the minimum, right? We do scale that up if demand is there. And then finally, you get access to our full course library, which has all the masterclasses that we do, all the recordings of those, any of these workshops, plus some of our self-paced courses and our most popular learning path, which is the Social Media Marketing Intensive. If you are interested, please join. You can either sign up to an annual plan and get a healthy discount, or you can just sign up month to month. And if you're not getting value, just cancel anytime you like. I do hope to see you on this workshop. One of my favorite topics because of the amount of impact it can really have if you get it right. So I hope to see you there. Cheers.